Hello everyone. I hope you are having a great day. It's Ravi Vanakuru and welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about keyboard shortcuts. We have a lot of web designing and web development softwares, right? For example, if you are using Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text or Photoshop, we are using lot many softwares, right? So for that softwares, there is a one place to find keyboard shortcuts, that is called Shortcuts.design. I'll provide this URL in a video description. Please check it out. Let's go to this website and see how many different types of keyboard shortcuts available for each and every software. First, we'll go to web design. See, in this you have XD, Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator. There is many tools for designing, right? See when I click on the Photoshop button, there you will find that two versions of keyboard shortcuts. If you are using Mac, here is the keyboard shortcuts. If you are using Windows, then here is the keyboard shortcuts: Control J, Shift Control J, Control N. Each and every option you will have a keyboard shortcut. If you need any reference about these keyboard shortcuts, you can come here and check your shortcuts, right? In the same manner, you can go back. If you go to development, there also you will find different uh, visual code editors and all, right? So when you click on the Visual Studio Code, it is also having same process. You will have two different kind of operating systems. So one is Mac and Windows. You can use whatever your operating system is. So let's say I'm using Mac system, so I'm in Mac. For example, how to create a new window, how to install a new softwares, like how to install extensions. For each and every option, you will have keyboard shortcut. Correct? Right. So from today onwards, now no, you can go to this website and check your keyboard shortcut references. Apart from this designing and development tools, you will have a regular common keyboard shortcuts, like what are the keyboard shortcuts we are using in a Windows system and in a Google Chrome. That means these tools are very common tools. And if you have any interest, you can contribute to your services into this shortcuts.design.com. From here you can go to GitHub repository. With your GitHub login details, you can sign up and you can contribute um, your ideas also, or your keyboard shortcuts also. Okay. um, that's it. So I think you have learned some information from this video. uh, if you like this information, please do comment, share, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.